Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, for following our channel and for sharing our videos with your friends. If you haven't done that, I have already thanked you. So please go all out and share our channel with others that you think might benefit from the information that we share. And also don't forget to subscribe. Today I want to talk about something that is like a point that you can use when you're applying for jobs or when you want that visa sponsorship, because I talk to clients, guys, and I talk to different people almost every day, every week, and people have different qualifications, people have different ways of approaching this, of looking for visa sponsorship. Okay, I thought of this and I did a research on it, and it's working for some people. So you can try it and see if it works. This, what I'm talking about here, is looking for companies that are there internationally and looking for especially companies that are there in your area that have branches in Ireland, in UK, in Canada. So once you find these companies, it's easy for you to work with them or to work volunteer with them. Then from there, you can go out and share that you have experience from those companies. Do you know why it's beneficial for you to share information with like international companies, companies that have branches all over? It's good because that big company is already international. So once you mention it in a CV or in a cover letter, people that recognize that company, they now look at you in the eyes of that company. Does that make sense? I think if I put it in a way of celebrate, if I see you working with a well-known big celebrity in the world, then tomorrow I see you working alone, but yesterday I saw you working with a celebrity, my brain and my eyes, they have already drawn a picture about you. I already give you respect that I give to that celebrity. Do you understand that? So that's how it works as well with companies. So I know it's not easy and it's not for anyone, because there is someone that is out there that just finished school, that just graduated, no experience, no nothing. These companies, when you try to come near them, especially as a new intern, as someone who's very low, they tend to look down or like distance. It's hard to get in. I remember there was a time when I was applying when I was in South Africa. I was trying to apply with these big five companies in South Africa that are known in construction. Those companies were my target. I used to follow them. I used to try to attend their trainings. I used to try, even when they do events, I used to attend their events. When they do big events where they're celebrating a few things, but they invite even public people to come, I used to join those events so that I can get to the company culture. I can understand how they work so that I can get to work with them. Do you understand that? But then, if you are not as low as I was by then when I was still in Africa, maybe you are on the other level, because I have talked to clients that when I look at their CVs, when I look at their qualifications, when I look at their work experience, I'm like, oh my God, this person has it all. But they are still trying to relocate, they are still trying for other jobs, they are not happy with what they have, they want more opportunities, but they are struggling to get those opportunities. So this is an opportunity that you can look for as that person. Remember to socialize, remember to follow these big companies. Look, okay, to make things easy for you, I am going to attach these companies. I'm going to attach healthcare companies and the construction companies. If you feel like you are in a different sector, like especially transport, logistics, and IT, and you want me to do a research on those companies, then I can do another video, or I can do a research and contact me. I'm gonna share companies, but here I'm gonna attach the healthcare companies and civil engineering, which is construction companies, that they are there in South Africa, they are there in Nigeria, they are there in UK, in Ireland, and in Canada. Because most of these big companies, they have branches all over. They have branches in different parts of the world. But now, don't get me wrong. I didn't say because the company is big, it has branches. Once you get to work with them, it's easy for them to transfer you to another branch that is Ireland. It's easy for you to jump. Remember, different offices, different countries, that's different cultures, different rules, different everything. But the company is still the company. So for you to socialize with the company, for you to get to work with the company, it's the identity. It's for you to be recognized, like I made an example with the celebrity. But still, it's not going to be as easy as jumping from this to that because the company has branches. There is still rules that you have to follow. And also, there are companies that employ every day internationally. That when you search today, they have jobs in USA, they have jobs in Ireland, they have jobs in Germany, they have jobs in Netherlands. But then when you are applying, you have to specify where are you and you want the job in Netherlands. Then that job could be sponsoring visa, could not be sponsoring visas. There are agents that do that. So it's when, remember I said this video is for people that I have looked at their qualifications and be like, wow, this person could go far. So if you stand in that position, try to look for those companies, look for big companies, and try to follow their websites. You may get opportunities from that, and also attend their event. When you attend, when you don't underestimate the power of, when we say your, when I was growing up, they used to say, actually not growing up, but people still say it, your association brings assimilation. So the more you associate with these big companies, these people that work, that those people that you are getting used to, those friends that you are now making with those companies, next time there's a position in their company, they might say, oh, I know someone who works in the same sector but in a different company, in a smaller company. Then you get to come to work with them. That's how the world works, guys. Sometimes other positions, they could be scared to advertise them online and start interviewing because people lie on interviews. So sometimes it's a matter of getting recommendations. That's how recommendations work. But if you don't go out there, socialize with people that are in the same level as you, how do you expect companies to find you? How do you expect people to find you? So do you understand that? That's what I wanted to say on this video. I didn't want to be too long. I didn't want to bring a lot of things, but to make, like, to give you to remember that it's important for you to follow these big companies, attend their events, follow their websites, and check the branches that they have all over the world, and how can you work around them and use that as something that you can use as a pass ticket to getting recognized. To understand that. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna make the next video explaining more if you guys recommend or you guys tell me to make more videos about other sectors, and also to share information on these companies that can have branches internationally. I can come with a list, and I can come with the ones that have employed people the most compared to the ones that haven't. So it's up to you guys to tell me to do it or not. If no one says it, I won't do it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.